Hello everyone, my name is Eliana, welcome back. You can notice the new scenario, so new city, new work, new life, new machine. And today we are going to make this bottle case. It's very easy to make, and Christmas is coming and you can give a bottle as a gift and you can give it this way. It's very charming. And if you're ready, let's go! We are going to need two rectangles, 30 centimeters per 34 centimeters, linen fabric, main fabric, and two circles in linen fabric, main fabric. To draw the circles on the fabric, I like to use hard paper, it's easier to draw. This circle has 10 centimeters per diameter. First step, with our fabric with the front up, the longest side, so we are going to fold her in half like this. In the two rectangles we are going to do the same thing, and then we are going to sew here with 0.5 centimeters of the seam allowance. Now on the main fabric as well. Now we are gonna get our circles and we are going to put it all together like this, and put a pin on it. All done. Now we are going to do the same on the main fabric. So right side of the fabric, right side of the main fabric, and let's put it together. All done. Now we are going to sew. So the process is, you're gonna to put this up and you're going to sew here. Let me Now we are going to turn our linen fabric to the right side like this, and we are going to put it inside of the main fabric like this, right side with the right side, and we are going to match the sewing, this suture. In this part, one side and another side for the right, and we are going to clip or pin everything together. Here you're gonna leave it open so we can turn our piece the way around. And now we are going to sew everything together. Our piece is almost ready. Now we are going to turn Now we are going to put the lining inside the main fabric. And we are closing this part here, the open part. And that's it. Now we just need to fold this. All done. Let's put our bottle inside our case. And that's it. As simple as that. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe the channel so you can be noticed for the next time. And I'm sorry for the noise, and the next video we will improve for sure. Alright, so bye, see you next time.